Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to schedule text on iPhone iOS 18. So if at the end of this you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do to schedule text on your iPhone is go ahead and open the iMessage. And you want to make sure this particular user is using iMessage. So once you open iMessage, then select the user you want to schedule text to. Now go ahead and type in your message. Once you've typed in your message, click on this plus button. Then locate and click on send later. Once you click on send later, then it should say time and date pop. On the time and date, select when you want to send the text. And then go ahead and click on the send button. Once you've selected the time, date, and then the meridian, then click on send. Then it should say the time the message is going to send. Now that will schedule the message. You should see send later. You can easily edit the time by clicking on edit. So you can edit time. And if you want to send the message now, just go ahead and click on send message. If you want to delete the scheduled message, click on edit and then click on delete message. And that's it. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.